Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting comparison video for you. We will be comparing Bialetti Spare Parts and FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker. These two products are popular choices among coffee enthusiasts, and we are going to dive deep into their features and benefits. But before we begin, please remember to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. When it comes to Bialetti Spare Parts, they are specifically designed to ensure the quality and perfect operation of your Bialetti coffee maker over time. This package includes 3 plastic seals and an aluminum plate. They are compatible with a variety of Bialetti 3/4 cups models, including Moka Express, Fiammetta, Break, Happy, Dama, Mocha Melody, Alpina, Mocha Timer, and Rainbow. On the other hand, FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker is made with food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. Its good capacity of 12 cups, 600 milliliters, allows you to enjoy fine oil and strong aroma in your espresso. Both products offer great quality and compatibility. Let's talk about the working principle of these two coffee makers. Bialetti Spare Parts use seals and a plate to ensure proper steam pressure and extraction of coffee essence. The torch heats the water in the pot, turning it into steam, which is then lifted to the upper pot through the filter box filled with coffee powder. On the other hand, FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker also uses the steam created by heating the water in the pot to extract the essence of the coffee. Both coffee makers follow a similar principle to deliver that mellow Italian flavor we all love. When it comes to stove compatibility, both Bialetti Spare Parts and FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker have you covered. Bialetti Spare Parts are compatible with various stoves, including induction, gas, ceramic, electric, and halogen stoves. Similarly, FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker features a stainless steel double bottom that supports a variety of stoves, including induction, gas, ceramic, electric, and halogen stoves as well. No matter what type of stove you have, you can rely on both products to deliver that perfect cup of coffee. When it comes to safety, both Bialetti Spare Parts and FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker have taken precautions. Bialetti Spare Parts include plastic seals, ensuring safe handling even when the pot is at high temperatures. FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker comes with tips for usage and warns against the use by children due to its high-temperature boiling process. Additionally, both brands provide good customer support and are responsive to customer queries and concerns. Overall, safety and customer support are prioritized by both brands. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of Bialetti Spare Parts and FCUS Stovetop Espresso Maker. Both products are excellent choices for coffee lovers, offering quality, compatibility, and safety. Whether you prefer the Bialetti brand or the FCUS brand, you can't go wrong with either choice. So which one would you pick? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.